This is my trading activity for today, and as in the previous YouTube video I had said, I would be uploading my trading activities consistently whenever I make a intraday trade from now on. And the previous video was focused on how to survive the Indian stock market intraday trading with a very small capital. And this is a justification video for that as well, because if you look at the realized gains, 801 rupees, it's around 15.4% of the amount that I'm investing or willing to invest right now. I'm not willing to invest more than this because this would help me realize how stock market for intraday trader works without having to take an additional pressure for 1-2 lakhs. If I invest 1 lakhs right now and I encounter a loss of 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 rupees a day, I would have no intentions to learn anymore. I would be more focused on recovering my losses, but that is not what I'm looking forward to do. Although in the last 33 trades, I had been on the greener end for 26% of time, and that is something around 80%. And that's a huge sample size. 33 trades in intraday, you barely survive for more than 30-40% of trades if you are very skilled. So it's not a boast, but I guess I'm getting better with time. And if we look at the net activity today, it's around 408 rupees. So the previous day's closing balance was something around 5,200, and today after settlement 408 rupees would be added to that, and that is expected to turn it 5,615 for the next trading day. And this is how I'm willing to progress, not add a very huge chunk at the same time. And if we look at the percentage of net gains, it would be around 7.8%, which is decent enough. But my current focus should be on how to trade longer and how to not overtrade. At the same time, I need to keep a track of brokerage charges, and the same should be the task for everyone viewing this video as well. Also, I would be analyzing total number of trades that I have made today in this video. So the first trade which I made was for Tata Steel. It was a sell order, and I placed it at around 199.65 rupees. So if the price of Tata Steel share fell today, I would have been in the gainer side. But immediately after this, what happens? The price gives a bounce back. At this point, it gives a major tick, and I ended up at unrealized gain of minus 300 rupees. That's basically loss. And even after this, I did not panic sell the stock, which is a good stuff, because I trusted the buy percentage and at the same time simultaneous increase in volume inside of the sellers. And the structural awareness gave me profit eventually. I quit this share at a price of around 197, I guess. Yes, 197. But even after that, I had complete faith that the stock is going to fall more, and it did. It did below 195. It reached something around 194, 193. And I didn't make most of it. This is something I should be working on. I do make profits, I do understand structures, but I don't maximize my profits. This is something I would be eventually working on. And the second trade that I did for today was Ingenious India. I was willing to purchase it on the buyer's end, but accidentally, this might happen with you as well, that you accidentally might purchase on the buyer's end or seller's end, opposite of what you're trying to do in intraday trading. And if at all it happens, your target should not be profit anymore. Your target should immediately shift to brokerage and taxes covering. So that is basically what I did. I sold a share or shorted it around a price range of 204, but as soon as it touched a price of 203.55, I executed the order and recovered. If you accidentally execute some order as such, your target should be exiting as soon as possible. And then when I was in a settled state, I bought the stock at a price of 204 rupees, and it increased to a price of 204.7, and it gave me decent gains. Then I exited, and then I purchased the stock, Tejas Networks, and I purchased it at a price of 398ish and sold it at 496. It was again a short selling order, so if the price fell, I would have gained money, and that's what happened. And I again looked at the structure of Ingenious India, and then I placed a buy order and scalped a bit. You should avoid scalping as a survivor, but I was just doing this for demonstration purposes. I scalped it, still stayed in the gainer side, and I did exit, and again entered Tejas India shares, and it gave me a decent amount of gains, and I again ended up purchasing Tejas shares because it's very volatile today after it gained a profit margin of 50% over last week. So you need to avoid overtrading. This is something I'm working on as well. At the same time, my focus would be on increasing the magnitude or extent of your gains, and you'll be all set. So that's it for today's video, and do like or subscribe. And in case you have any feedbacks or recommendations to improve my trading habits, or in case you have any questions, to drop them in the comment section as well. Have a great day. Take care.